So custom landing pages and advertorials can really improve conversion rate dramatically for ad specific landing pages. So this here is Pagedeck, which is a tool that you can use to build landing pages really, really quickly. And they have lots of different templates that you can just use and basically deploy in a matter of a couple of hours or even less. So they have templates here. I'll go through a couple of them. So there's the 5 reasons why listicles. So listicles are a great way to talk about all your benefits and then basically just funnel people to your product. So 5 reasons why you need X, and then you talk about a couple of different products, and then you slip your product in there in the middle as the best choice, and you get people to click through and purchase. So there's the listicle. You have hero products with many 5 reasons. So this is also the 5 reasons why, but you have the hero product at the top. Shoppable hero product as well. This is just the classic PDP. And then advertorials. Advertorials are a great way to pre-sell people before they go to the product page. So a lot of times people aren't ready to buy yet, and advertorials are going to be a great way to do that, to warm them up, get them in the mindset to purchase, so that when they actually get to the PDP, they're just taking action and they're basically completely sold on the product already, and they just have to complete the steps to purchase. So there's advertorial, another pre-sale, some shoppables, some listicles. So yeah, lots of different templates that you can basically use right away. You can preview pretty easily. You can see here things that you can, all this stuff you can edit. So let's say you like this listicle, then you can just choose this listicle, and then it's preloaded with the branding of your client or of your brand. So in this case, it's already set up for this client. But yeah, you just click in here and you can actually edit all of this stuff here. Yeah, lots of different things that you can do. So you can see here, yeah, you can update these sections. What's the title? Right, feel good and look even better. Yeah, and you can basically deploy all of this really, really quickly. So there's, yeah, so this is the one listicle. If we want to check out some other ones, so we'll go to a new page. Advertorial is also a great one. All right, so yeah, this one's about bugs, so got lots of bug photos. But let's say you wanted to use this as well. So you can select this template, swap out the logo, swap out the announcement bar, logo, headlines, all of that, text block. You can add new sections as well. So they have buy boxes, BOGO offer buy boxes, product grid. So you can see here, product grid, you have 3 products, single product CTA, subscription buy box, tiered buy boxes. So this could be for trying to get people to purchase more. But yeah, I don't know why this one is not showing, but yeah, I think we've got to choose the product. And just, yeah, a lot of different options to customize. So this is called Pagedeck. I think it's relatively cheap to test out, and yeah, lots of really quick plug and play templates that you can use, and you don't have to be a coder. I think that's great for agencies, for brands that just want to move fast and just test things out quickly. And then yeah, you can publish this. You can set up the specific URL, publish it, and then make sure that you have, if you're running ads, your pixel set up, and yeah, you can have this page spun up really quickly. And other things that you can do as well is you can have, let's say you have a winning ad creative and you have an angle or a hook that's working really well. You can start testing that for your headlines, right? So you can spin up, 5 of your top creative headlines and just, match the creative with your landing page and see whether that improves conversion rate, right? That's that congruency can really help with, getting people through to that next step. So yeah, lots of cool things that you can be testing out here. Just wanted to make a quick video about Pagedeck. It's been very helpful in being able to create landing pages quickly and load super fast, given that load speed is a pretty big issue with Facebook and Google as well. So yeah, if you're interested in following along, yeah, please feel free to subscribe or just like the video. But yeah, any questions, please let me know.